What if I told you there's a way to get thousands of Genshin Primogems without having to spend your entire savings or grind the game for hours and hours? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Believe it or not, this method is actually used by some of the biggest Genshin creators out there. And the best part, it works on all platforms. So whether you're on PC, mobile, or another platform, you're in luck. But before we get started, let's take a quick moment to announce the winner of yesterday's Genshin Crystals giveaway. As you guys know, I give away 6,000 Genshin Crystals to a lucky subscriber every single day. If you want to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. When I post a video, make sure you drop a like on it and comment. So let's go ahead and pick today's lucky subscriber. I'll show the winner on the screen, all right? There we go. Congratulations to today's winner. We will be picking another winner in the next video, so if you want to win the next one, just drop a like on this video and subscribe. Now, let me finish showing you how to get these Genshin Primogems. You guys may have heard about the new Genshin Impact VIP codes that just dropped, and let me tell you, they're insane. You can get anywhere from 12,000 Primogems to 30,000 Primogems per code. And the best part, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get your own code. First things first, head over to the page where you redeem your Genshin Impact codes. Depending on your platform, you'll need to visit either Genshin's official website or redeem the code in-game. Just go to wherever you normally redeem your codes. Now that you're ready to redeem a code, you will need to type in one of the new VIP Primogem codes that just dropped. Like I said, these codes are sent to the big Genshin Impact creators, so usually it would be almost impossible to get these unless you're famous on YouTube or another platform. And this is where we get into step 2. Now, all you need to do is type in a VIP code to redeem it. Lucky for you, new codes just dropped and this website is passing them out for the free. So if you want your own code, go ahead and look in my comments. I dropped a link to the website that gives them out. Keep in mind that if it's your first time getting a VIP code from this site, you'll need to complete a quick 2 to 3 minute offer just to verify that you're not a bot. They do this to keep things fair and prevent all the codes from being claimed by bots. So do one of these easy offers, fill in some easy info. They only take 2 or 3 minutes. Super easy. Once you've completed the offer, your very own VIP code will be revealed on the screen. I'm showing you mine right now, but remember, this code is already used and won't work for anyone else now. You have to get your own fresh code. Be sure you don't give your code away because it can only be redeemed once. If you share this with a friend, they will need to get their own fresh code. Now we are on step 3. Congratulations, you have your very own VIP Genshin Primogems code. Now all you need to do is redeem it. As you saw in my intro, we lucked up and got a ton of Primogems from the last code we redeemed. So there you have it, guys. A simple and easy way to get your hands on thousands of Genshin Primogems without spending a dime or grinding for hours on end. If this worked for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.